Hello and welcome back to a new motivational cleaning video. Today we are catching up on the cleaning tasks that needed to be done after our whole house got slammed with the flu. Before getting into the cleaning motivation, I wanted to feel somewhat human again after being sick, so I hopped in the shower, got dressed, and just did some things for myself this morning. Both the girls were homesick from school for 2 days in a row, so on top of trying to catch up on the house, I was also momming in between, so that calls for some extra coffee. Although it didn't taste very good, and I'm not gonna lie, my sense of taste and smell are just off and somewhat gone. Anyway, I digress a little bit. After getting myself showered and a coffee, I wanted to go ahead and just get my hair brushed, do some of my morning skincare routine and that sort of thing. And I'm not sharing like the details of my morning skincare routine, but if you guys are wanting an updated routine, just let me know and I can definitely do that in a future video. But for today, we are just quickly hammering that out before I started off cleaning here in our primary bedroom. Of course, I had to open up the curtains and allow all the natural light in and just some nice crisp air before making our bed. This is my ripple effect chore that helps me move from one task to the next. Another task that I wanted to complete today was I wanted to get the nightstands all cleared, and then I realized there was a ton of dust that had accumulated, so we're actually going to end up coming back in here in a little bit and doing some deep cleaning tasks. The day prior to this, I washed and changed out everybody's bedding. So today's laundry included just clothes and that was it. I mean, ideally I would have been able to film all of that for you guys in one video, but truth be told, I just did not have the energy. This flu kicked my ass. Knock on wood. I'm very blessed that I don't get sick very often, especially like being down and out for the count. But again, I count my blessings for that every single day, but this one really got me. So I apologize that I wasn't able to include that extra motivation like I had originally planned, but I'm happy to report I am filming this voiceover and feeling about 90% better. So yeah, in my smoothie cup here, I have a ton of fruits and vegetables as well as my supplements and extra vitamins just to really help boost my immune system. And then you can see I have that huge water cup there as I was trying to stay hydrated, as well as I didn't really have much of an appetite. So that's kind of what's been going down over here. With all of that to say, I hope that you and your family are staying healthy.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you are colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are? Just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are.
Once I got the dishwasher emptied, I realized how dirty it had gotten, so I wanted to give it a deeper clean. I am going to be using two of my favorite non-toxic cleaning products, the Enjo marble paste as well as the Enjo washing up liquid. These two products together help to fight grease, dirt, and grime and make it so easy to clean like literally anything. Plus the way the marble paste just like shines everything is truly incredible.
Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
Using the same marble paste and washing off liquid on the kitchen sink here to really help give it a deeper clean and just make it shine. You will notice that even though we were super sick, I am not deep cleaning our house with bleach. It really isn't necessary in a home environment, and truthfully, I don't even think I own bleach, but my point is whether we are sick or not, I'm still using all non-toxic cleaning products. Additionally, at times like this, I am very grateful that I simplified and decluttered our entire house, so it's not so overwhelming, and it is actually really easy to clean, easy to maintain, and easy to manage. And just know that you too can have an easy to clean home, and truthfully, it starts with the idea of learning to live with less. So make sure that you are subscribed if you have not already. I share a ton of cleaning and homemaking motivation, as well as my goal here is to teach you how to care for your home, how to declutter and simplify your life, as well as just how to create systems and routines that work for your home so that it is easy to clean. Of course, if you have any specific questions or video requests, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Okay, I ate some brunch. I made myself some eggs and bacon as my energy levels were totally crashing and I hadn't eaten anything. Straightened my hair a little bit, got like somewhat put together, nothing crazy. As you can tell, I'm still not 100%, but we're trucking along. We're getting some things done, and I brewed some decaf. I need more coffee, and now we are going to clean through the whole house. So lots to do still. I hope you are up and cleaning along with me and getting motivated and inspired to tackle your mess. If not, grab a load of laundry, do the dishes, whatever it is, there's always something to be done, but tackle one thing off of your to-do list today. You will thank me for it later.
It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm, when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess, but everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
I had full intentions on using my rainbow vacuum today, but I had to listen to my body. So starting our robot vacuum to vacuum for me, and then we're gonna come back in here and mop after we finish kind of cleaning the upstairs area and once Rocky is done doing his job. So we're gonna head back into the primary bedroom and get rid of all the dust that had accumulated on the furniture as well as behind our bed. This is me using Sage's natural headache remedy, and it is a essential oil roll-on remedy. I've talked about Sage Wellness before because I absolutely love their products, so go ahead and check them out. I will leave their site down below as they sell a ton of natural and wellness products as well as essential oils. Plus, I have a limited time discount code that you can use on their website, so go ahead and again check them out.
It's like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait.
Our bed is really heavy and it's difficult for me to move on a good day when I'm not sick, but I noticed there was a ton of dust back there that I wanted to clean. I will say that is like the one downfall of this bed, but thankfully my Enjo mop is super flexible and I can get in and around tight areas. So I had the dust floor head, as you can see, put on, and look how much it picked up. Oh my gosh, I think it's so disgustingly satisfying. But if you have pets or you're someone who struggles with asthma or allergies, I highly, highly recommend getting this floor system. It's very versatile. Again, you can use it to get in like tight spaces and stuff like that because it's really bendy. But you can also use it on your floors, of course, your walls, your ceilings, and the pole also extends so that you can reach higher and just kind of hard to reach areas. I love this thing so much. Moving on into the bathroom here, I put those razors on the edge of the tub so I wouldn't forget to throw them in the trash. And sometimes that is all decluttering involves, is simply just moving through the house and putting stuff that belongs in the trash. You're still getting rid of items in your home that are no longer useful, so just keep it simple. Decluttering doesn't have to be complicated, and sometimes picking up the trash can help alleviate a lot of that visual clutter.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're just sleep. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're just sleep. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't.
My intention was to deep clean the bathroom here, and I ended up just doing a ton of spot cleaning here today. I can normally push through when I'm not feeling like super motivated, but I truly just needed to listen to my body and slow down. So the goal ended up being to just tidy the countertops, put everything back in their homes, and just do a really quick wipe through, and then I can focus on deep cleaning the house when my energy comes back.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we
much for watching today's cleaning motivation. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and lets me know that you like this type of content. And with that being said, if you are not yet subscribed, please join our growing YouTube family and hit the bell so you are notified when I upload a new video. I have been posting it twice a week for lots and lots of motivation, all things decluttering, homemaking, cleaning, like all the things. And so if that is what you like, then again, make sure you're subscribed and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.